that's only cause they inconsistent. He said the weapon wouldn't prosper, now they wouldn't form. I'm by the golf, I hit the middle and it's good and warm. I got the $1 million motors, I've been getting to it. I got the that boost your ego when you listen to it. I know they waiting on the fall, but I doubt that. Cause I've been buying Bitcoin on the bounce bag. Might need a minute in the morning, I've been working late. You see me living in my purpose, I don't perpetrate. I'm certified, certified mattress off the Yerba mate. She in a green velvet box to make it percolate. And I just hope they play me never and they play.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm at Logan Martin. I'm actually with Chris again. Last time we went out to Lay Lake, caught a 4 and a 5 and a whole bunch of other fish. Pretty good day, had a lot of fun. He just pulled up, so hopefully we can get on some big old big mouth bass. We're gonna load the boat up, drop it in the water, and hopefully about 5-10 minutes you'll see us just wrecking bass. Maybe they don't want this jerkbait. We'll catch one back here in this, around these sticks for sure though. Somebody will have to catch one. Yeah.
Whoa, that's the biggest shad I ain't never seen out there, bro.
That might be what you saw on the graph. You good, you're good. You're good.
Small fish with the bass, you know? I'm gonna pick up Old Faithful.
Y'all should come fish that Bibb County tournament next weekend.
Really?
Yeah, it's at the state lake, the Pay Lake. Yeah, it's 35, and I mean, there's big fish in the lake. You make enough cash, you'll start catching them. That's how I look at it.
You ain't like that up, get off the bank a little bit.
Yeah, I might. I have a bigger one too, a bigger size. I might try. And just go straight for the big ones. I thought that bird right there was real. It looked like he'd catch a fish. Yeah. Okay. You guys, we just caught a spot off camera. You rocked the jerk bait.
Why don't you just do this? Why don't you go back, like, why don't you get one of these things that go back in time, and then replace everything, and then you can just connect it to your GoPro?
You know, that is a really good idea, actually. Because I miss a lot of stuff on camera sometimes.
3 hours later.
When I think of a spinnerbait, I think about you'll catch a lot bigger than what I'll catch on the Chris side. That was kind of, oh, he's still on there?
There you go.
That was a late response. Got another one. You letting them go? You putting them back? I can put this one on your line and throw them out. Whoa, look at me, look at me. That's the second time. Every time I'm in Chris's boat, I always throw a fish. Be careful, don't let them get you. Here, there we go. You got him, you got him.
Will you eat the boat this one?
You want to put them back?
Look at his bones. He got something in there.
Let me see.
You got a bug, like a centipede.
A little bug up top, yeah. Might be like a little parasite.
He did a front.
There you go. Yeah. Fish them hard.
fit that in his mouth?
Maybe. Maybe not. The smallest fish that'll eat that is maybe like a 2 pounder.
I talk my they keep it honest, keep it independent. I hear them hating, but that's only cause they inconsistent. He said the weapon wouldn't prosper.
Is that a spot? No.
I'm about to go fight, hit the middle, and it's good.
What a monster.
I got the $1 million motors, I've been getting to it. I got the
Got one?
show, we gon' be listen to it. I know they waiting on the phone, but I doubt that. Cause I've been buying Bitcoin on
Belly on his. It looks just like this one, but just with an orange belly.
Your lighter one might be better for in here.
You think so?
Honestly, might be. I might need like a chartreuse crankbait. I know chartreuse is good for dirty water. So. There's one. Not bad.
There you go. That's a nice one. That's a pretty good one, actually. Now, see, I
Like
wouldn't
a
be
little
mad
two.
catching a fish like that. Very pale, very healthy, very thick, very candy.
First one in the chatterbait. Look, it looks like a wintertime fish.
Kind of looks purplish on the top.
Yeah, it looks like a wintertime bass.
Yeah.
Fish number one. Took a minute, or took, not really a minute, took a little bit longer than we expected, or than I expected, at least I'll say. So, got fish number one, not a bad one. This is like one of the bigger ones out of all the ones that we've caught in here. He has like 0 lateral line. He looks like a big shad, but in bass form. That was cool. Thank you for that. That's gonna look cool in slow-mo. We're right on top of the second spot right now. I want to hit a rock or something with this just to feel what a fish could feel like. Probably gonna be the scariest feeling in the world if it's a fish, because it's gonna be at least 2 pounds. Like the one I just caught, if it was really aggressive, it could eat that. I want to catch one like a 7-inch live bait. Like the really long and skinny. Oh, there's one.
There you go, there you go. See, I told y'all to fish on it.
No, he's not big. He's not even fighting at all. I didn't know what that was. This is another light one. It's like they changed colors in here overnight. Like it's not so much of I'm scared of the fish, it's just I don't want to get hooked. He helped me. First one on the chartreuse frit side. How about that one? See you later. We're looking for the big ones, like I was saying in the last time we came out here. Every time I catch one, I'm looking for the big one. Oh!
God. I think that was a fish.
Yeah, that was definitely a fish. I'm just not sure that was a bass or not. Because it looked like it rolled kind of like carp do. But I think I'm pretty sure that was probably a carp. I'm pretty sure that was a carp, not a bass. But just the way it rolled and then like, oh, no, it was grass. Oh, there's one. Yeah.
All I gotta do is sing.
Yeah, he did start singing. That's a better one, dude. I'm bringing them right to you. There you go.
Look at that.
That's the biggest one I've caught out of here.
Okay,
Well,
okay. Upgrading,
yeah.
upgrading.
Greg started singing again. Chartreuse frit side.
I'm gonna start singing some of my classical hits.
You need to come out with like a Christmas CD.
Shit, you know.
Like the Temptations.
Yeah.
The only one that's good off of that is Silent Light though.
You need some flyers?
Yeah.
I got you. I got
You got some?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it's like a whole different type of fish. Like those, the first one I caught was kind of like scary pale.
Yeah.
All right, that's number 2, 3. He's not super big, still another pretty one though. See you later. Oh,
There you go.
dude, cast over there.
Bow, bow.
He's not super big, I don't think, but he could be.
There in the top of the honey hole.
Dude, what is that? Is that a bass?
That's a bad.
Oh, dude, he was swimming like straight at me.
I thought it was.
I thought it was a mudfish at first, like a, what are those called? Mudfish? You thought it was a stripe. Me and Greg have found a magic pond with stripe in them.
Chicken bow, bow, bow.
All right, that's fish number 5, 4, 5, something. Out of this little grass patch, it's like they're just stacked up in here. Kind of gotten a little close to it. Hopefully they'll Hopefully we can catch another one out of it. The day me and Marshall came out here, this is kind of how it was. Like, you just bring it through the grass and you'll catch one every time. It went from a chatterbait to a crankbait to a big swim bait to the Fritz side, and Fritz side has never let me down.